Last week, education outlets reported on high school officials in Virginia that hid National Merit Awards from students and parents for 5 years. The unethical move by Principal Ann Bonitatabas and Director Brandon Casacta prevented deserving families from using prestigious awards during college applications, causing them to lose out on important merit-based scholarships due to the dishonesty by school leaders. The scandal affected more than 1,200 students since 2017, mostly affecting minority Asian and first-generation college-bound students at the top high school. Keeping these certificates from students is theft by the state, said a parent. The school recently eliminated zeros and rewarded students for simply showing up to class. In a bizarre race to the bottom, the principal still hasn't yet delivered the missing certificates to students from past years. Good luck to all parents handling the war on merit.